Hi, this is Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be making a little Happy Mail pocket. I thunk it up last night. We'll see if it works. Hopefully it does. It should. I'm saying this in front of all of my videos, and I keep saying that part too, so bear with me, okay? I am pre-filming, so if you have a comment and you want to say something down below, please bear in mind I won't know what you're talking about, because I cannot get down to my craft room for 6 weeks. I'm having surgery, so I'm pre-filming as much as I can. Okay, let's get started. So, you need a piece of paper. I just hit my microphone. Sorry about that. You need a piece of paper that is 4 by 12 and double-sided. I am using this I'd Rather Be Crafting from Echo Park. I only have a few sheets left. I also try to point this out. Make sure you measure. Look, sometimes they give you a slight bit more. So that will throw your measurements off if you do not measure. Alright. If you don't cut it and make sure that it's the right amount, that it could throw your stuff off. So, 4-inch. Alright. So you need a 4-inch by 12-inch piece of paper that is double-sided. We need a scoreboard. Okay. So in the scoreboard, we are going to score at 2, 6, and 10. That's it. 2, 6, and 10. I'm actually going to score from the other side just to make sure. Okay, 2, 6, and 10. There we go. That's it. That's all you're scoring. You're going to need, I usually use this little circle punch for a thumb notch, so I'm going to grab that. Now, we're going to fold in the middle. Fold in the middle and line everything up. Okay, and while we have it folded in the middle, we're going to take this bottom score and we're going to fold up. Then we're going to push this up and we're going to take this bottom score and we're going to fold up. Okay, then we're going to take our punch and we're going to punch a little thumb notch on that one and a thumb notch on this one. Okay, there we go. So this is what we have. Now, you can glue, you can sew, you can do whatever you want. I'm going to glue because my sewing machine is currently covered with stuff, or else I probably would have sewn. So we're just going to glue along this edge and this edge. Glue, burnish till your little heart's content. This is bent right here. Okay, that's burnished down nicely. So now we have a pocket and a flip up, and then we're going to do the same thing here. Okay. Okay, there we go. And then you can fill it with stuff. Don't mind me, I'm grabbing some stuff. Here, I just have these sitting there. These are altered cards. So you can just fill it with some stuff. Okay. Close it up. Okay, and it will fit in an A2 envelope. So you could mail that off as Happy Mail in a regular A2 envelope. It depends on how much. You can't overstuff it with things. But if you just want to send a little something and a card. Do I have a card sitting over here? Probably not. No, I don't. So I can't even put a card in because I don't have one sitting here. But yeah, there you go. This is a quick, easy project. Should we make another one? Should we? Should we make maybe one that's a little bit... We can't make one that's longer because this is 12 inches already. We could make one that was fatter, but then it wouldn't fit in the A2 envelope. I don't know. It's a cute little project, and it took absolutely no time, and it was three scores and some glue. Fill it in with a little bit of stuff, and you have yourself a nice Happy Mail. There you go. I think I should make another one, shouldn't I? Let's make another one. We have time. We have plenty of time. I just have to find double-sided paper, because that's not always easy to find in my stash. Oh, you know what we should do? You know what we should do? Yeah, we should. Let's see if this would work. Let's see what our measurements would be for a 6x6 piece of paper. Why don't we do that? So I'm just going to take this piece here because it's loose and trim it down. I'm going to trim it to the 6 inches and we'll see. What do you think? What do you think? Okay. All right. And then we'll need the scoreboard, and we're just going to use the full 6 inches, right? No. Let's cut it to 3. Let's cut it to, let's make sure we're going the right direction here. Let's just cut it down to 3. There we go. And then we'll do it. We'll see how this works. We're doing this together, okay? So, and half would be 3 inches. Okay, I don't know what happened. All of a sudden my computer screen went black and my camera shut off. So I don't know where things happened. So we're taking a 6x6 piece of paper, and I'm trying to figure out how to get to this in case that was all missed. 6x6 piece of paper, cut it in half at 3, and I scored at 3. Okay, and then I think I'm going to score at 1 inch, half an inch, 3/4. Let's do 3/4 of an inch. That gives us a decent size pocket, and I'm just going to switch over here to do. I'm just going to turn it around to do 3/4. Okay, so 3/4, 3, and 5 1/4. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Okay, so we're going to first fold it in half, just like we did the other one. And then we're going to take this and we're going to fold up. And let's see, can I even punch? Oh, I have a smaller one. We'll use the teeny tiny one. Okay, so yeah, I could even punch, and then we're going to flip this up, and we're going to flip this up. And punch. And glue. Punch and glue, punch and glue. So, glue that here. Yeah, I don't know what happened. I think my screensaver wasn't working for the longest time, and I think now it's working. I don't think I had it set up right, and now it's working, and I think that, but I did use the mouse. I don't know why the screensaver would. Whatever, I'll figure it out. So we're just going to glue and glue. And glue. Okay, so now we have this cute little pocket, and do I have something small to go in there? I might. Yes. I have some little Uno Go cards. Little Uno Go cards that I altered. Okay. So there we go. That's cute. Now, how would I use this in a journal? If I was going to use it in a journal, easy peasy. I would take the journal. This is my idea journal. It's where I put all my ideas, things that I make for videos. And I would just clip it like this. Oh no, well you can't though, because of the way it comes up. Oh, you could glue it down. So let's glue it down, shall we? Okay. Let's find a good page to glue this to. Let's glue it right down here. All right. Okay, so then you just have this little pocket and then this little pocket, and you could do the same with the bigger pocket if you wanted to, and then glue it down, and then it flips up and there's another pocket. All right, there we go. That was a quick, easy, little cute little project. Super fast, super easy, makes a good statement, makes a cute little journal pocket. So, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. It didn't even hurt. I don't know why I said ow. What the heck? Yep, so thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great rest of your day.